Well, let me just adopt the already established protocol. Um, but while doing that, I cannot do without first acknowledging my brother, the executive governor of Rivers State, Sassim Ubara. Also, my brother, my ally, a mentor, the Minister of Federal Capital Territory and immediate past governor of Rivers State, Chief Nyesom Ezewo Wike, and the traditional rulers represented by His Royal Majesty Sergeant Awuse as the chairman of the Traditional Council in Rivers State. And let me also acknowledge the staff and management of Hypercity. Eminent personalities here. If I want to start mentioning names, we won't leave here today. First, let me say that when it comes to Rivers State, I am the #1 supporter because Rivers State gave me the love of my life. So I'll never forget you in a hurry. When the Honorable Minister told me about this event, I already had a commitment to also commission today in Ibadan a mall called Bond Mall. So I shifted this to about 4 or 5 later this evening. I said I would like to go and see what they have in Rivers State and see if it's comparable to what we are trying to commission in Oyo State. I have to confess, what we're commissioning in Oyo State later this evening, the Bond Mall, is probably maybe 1/15 of this. Well, we're still going somewhere. That was why when I had the opportunity to talk to the MD of Hypercity, I told him, please, I'll give you land free of charge. I'll give you tax holiday, and I will also provide security for you during the construction. Nobody will come and obtain you, but ensure that the next Hypercity to be commissioned will be in Ibadan. He has already agreed before His Excellency Nyesom Wike tried to confuse him. Let me pitch this to you. Yes, FCT is the Federal Capital Territory, and that is the seat of the federal government. But Oyo State is the gateway to the southwestern part of Nigeria. So you're not looking at only the market in Oyo State. Once you come, you put up an Hypercity location in Oyo State. You have people from Ondo State, from Ekiti State, from Osun State, even from Kwara that will be coming there to shop. Please, it's going to be the next location. I remember with nostalgia when I came for the first time to Rivers State. That was October 25th, 1990. I went to the NYC camp inside Rivers State University of Science and Technology. And after the camp, we were preparing for our primary assignments, and I've just been posted to go do my primary assignment with Shell. And we're looking for a way out of the campus. So we came out through the second gate. We're wandering around Ikwere Road to locate the Shell Coppers Lodge, which then I think was located around Emekuku here. So we passed in front of this place, Olu Obasanjo, and we got to Oroworuko Junction and turned right and located the Coppers Lodge. And when I was coming with the governor this morning, we got to this place, turned here. I saw the flyover, and then I saw this Hypercity. And when we saw that, I told him, please remind me, this is the Ikwere Road. He said yes. And this one is Olu Obasanjo. He said yes, that this is at the intersection of Ikwere Road and Olu Obasanjo. And I thought to myself that Rivers State has been extremely lucky because somebody put this up. Now this is happening. And before we know it, this has nothing to do with oil. Rivers State is well on the way, not just looking at the oil economy in Nigeria, but well on the way to even just us, some of us saying that, look, we want to be number one in non-oil economy. Now they are challenging us in terms of, commerce, trade, and this is what what I'm seeing here, what it is representing. So let me again thank my brother and my friend, the Minister of FCT. We can still see the imprint of the work that you did in Rivers State. And let me also thank the current governor for saying publicly that, look, whatever Hypercity has been enjoying before his tenure, he will even continue and do more. What more can you ask for? So it's an honor for me to be here this afternoon to unveil the new Hypercity. I'll buy something to take from here. I'll buy something to take back to Ibadan. And I'll thereafter go and commission my own miniature Hypercity. And I look forward to the management, engaging with us seriously to put an Hypercity location in Ibadan. So to the glory of God and for the benefit of the good people of